Hi, my name is Jessica, and I'm a senior instructional designer at Landing AI. LandingLens offers many options for uploading images to your projects. If you have an object detection project, you can upload pre-labeled images directly into your project. These images need to be labeled in the Pascal VOC format. This format involves uploading the original, unlabeled image and a corresponding XML file that tells LandingLens where each label is on its associated images and what the name of the class is. It's important to note that the image and XML file must have the same file name. For example, if the image file name is vehicle1, then the XML file name must also be vehicle1. To upload images and their XML files, open the object detection project you want to add images to. Then, open the upload window. You can do this by either clicking the Click Here button at the bottom of a project that doesn't have any images, or by clicking the upload icon. Drag and drop the images and XML files into the project. A preview of your images displays, showing the Pascal VOC format. If you don't see Pascal VOC, check to make sure your images and XML files have the same file name with different extensions. Then click Upload. The pre-labeled images display in your project. Visit the Landing AI Support Center and community for more information.